Want to make money with crypto? Here are 4 quick ways to earn with cryptocurrency. First, trading. Buy low, sell high on exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. Start small, learn technical analysis, and manage risks. Second, staking. Lock up coins like Ethereum or Cardano to earn passive rewards. Think 3 to 10% yearly. Check platforms like Binance. Third, holding. Buy and hold coins like Bitcoin for long-term gains. Research solid projects and stay patient. Buy and hold. Potential altcoins for long-term. Fourth, engaging in airdrops. Make research on new projects with incentives. Crypto's risky. Only invest what you can lose. Like and follow. Subscribe for more. Always do your own research.